Now, question number 7. Here, this is based on algebra of real functions. That is not in your syllabus, but I am discussing here. Let f and g from r tends to r. Means f from r tends to r, g also from r tends to r. Be defined respectively for fx equals to x plus 1 and gx equals to 2x minus 3. Then we have to find out f plus g, f minus g, and f by g. So f plus g, so we can write it as f plus g into x. Now we know that fx plus gx it will be. So fx value I'm applying, fx is x plus 1 and gx is 2x minus 3. And then after calculating, getting here 3x minus 2. Similarly, f minus g. So f minus g into x is equal to fx minus gx. So this is here x plus 1 minus of 2x minus 3. So x plus 1 minus 2x minus plus 3. So it is here minus x plus 4. Similarly, quotient f by g. So f by g into x. So fx by gx. So x plus 1 by 2x minus 3. So this is our answer. Now we will discuss question number 8. F equals to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Be a function from z to z, set of integers to set of integers, defined by fx equals to ax plus b for some integers a and b. Now we have to find out a and b. So first of all, we will write here function that is given here 1, 1, first ordered pair, then 2, 3, then 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 3. Now your function format is fx equals to ax plus b. We have to apply one by one here in this form. Means first here domain is given 1, means x equals to 1 is given here, x equals to 1. So I'm applying in this format f of 1. So it is here a into 1 plus b. So this is a plus b, and what is the resultant? Resultant is 1, means image is 1. So a plus b equals to 1. Then I'm applying x equals to 2. Then f of 2. So it is here a into 2 plus b. So finally 2a plus b, and the image is 3. So I'm applying here 3. Then x equals to 0. Next is 0. So f of 0. So it is here a into 0 plus b. So we are getting here b, and resultant is minus 1, or image is minus 1 fx. Now x equals to minus 1, then f of minus 1. So a into minus 1 plus b. So it is here minus a plus b, and for minus 1, image is minus 3. So these are the values. Now we have to use these 4, and so that we can find out a and b, values of a and b. So here b equals to minus 1. We can apply this value in the first. So I'm applying a plus b equals to 1, applying b value. So a plus minus of 1, b is minus 1. So a equals to 2. So both values we will have, a equals to 2 and b equals to minus 1. So this is our answer. Now question number 9. Let R be a function from n cross n defined by R. R means relations. AB such that A and B both belongs to natural numbers, and condition is here A equals to B square. So here we have to show these 3, 1, 2 and 3 are true or not. If it is true, then we have to show how it is true. So one by one we will discuss it. Here R is given, not F but R is given. R is here AB such that A and B both belongs to natural numbers, and A equals to B square. So I'm going to draw here arrow diagram for this. Okay, so natural number means we can apply here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that and so on. Means this is natural number, this is also natural number, and here R is there from n to n. R is a subset of n cross n. And here also natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Set of natural numbers. Now, in the first question, here given AA belongs to R. For all A belongs to N. So here condition is given A equals to B square. A equals to B square. So AA is given. AA means A is related to A itself. A is related to A means it is satisfying the given condition. Condition is A equals to B square. So in place of B, I am going to write A. So here A equals to A square. Meaning is, if I'm applying any real number in place of A, if I'm applying A equals to 1. So here we are getting A equals to 1 square. Yes, it is true. But if I'm applying any other real number, A equals to 2. Real number we are taking from the first set. So 2 I am taking. 1 is connected to 1. But when I'm applying A equals to 2, then 2 equals to 2 square according to this. So what we are getting? 2 equals to 4. And you can see 4, 2 not equals to 4. So we are not getting 2 equals to 2. So, and here it is written for all A belongs to N. Means for all values which are in the first set, we have to prove A equals to A square. So we can see this is not true. It is true only for one element, that is A equals to 1. So we'll write it is not true. AA belongs to R is not true for all A belongs to N. And here we can write AA belongs to R is true only at A equals to 1, or 1 belongs to natural numbers. For point A equals to 1, it is true, where 1 belongs to natural number. Now, next second one, AB belongs to R implies BA belongs to R. Means AB belongs to R is a given part, and we have to show if AB belongs to R, then BA also belongs to R. Now second, AB belongs to R, that implies BA belongs to R. So it is given here, AB belongs to R means A is related to B. A is related to B means it is satisfying the condition A equals to B square. We can write it. Similarly, we have to show here B also belongs to R. So by example, I am taking here, if I am taking A equals to 2, except 1 I am taking 2. So it is here 2 equals to B. B I am taking here. Any other natural number I am taking, that is 3. 3 is square. Is it true? No, this is not true. So when AB belongs to R means A is related to B, means A equals to B square. One example I am taking here, if I am taking A equals to 4 and B equals to 2. So this portion is given, means true portion. So A is 4 and B is, so it is 2 squared. Yes, it is true, 4 equals to 4. But we have to show that B also belongs to R. So according to that, we can write BA. BA also belongs to R means we have to write here B equals to A square. Is it true? We can find out for the same elements. So if I'm applying B equals to 2 and 4, A equals to 4 is there, so 4 square. So we can see this is not true. Okay, so it is false. So this part is false. Just we have to give example and then we have to write this is false part. Now next third one, that is AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, means these two are given parts, and then we have to show here AC also belongs to R. So third one, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, for all AC belongs to R. So here AB belongs to R, that is given part, meaning is A is related to B. So according to condition, we can write A equals to B square. So example also I have taken here, A equals to 16. If I am taking A equals to 16, B I am taking B equals to 4. Randomly I am taking values for showing these two. Now I'm applying here A 16 and B 4. So it is true. Now BC belongs to R. This is also given part. So B is related to C. So B equals to C square. So B is 4 and C I have taken here 2. So 4 equals to 2 square means 4 equals to 4. Then we have to show that AC also belongs to R. This is the important part. So elements we have A equals to 16, C equals to 2, AC I'm taking. So A equals to C square. So A is 16 and C is 2. Yes, we can see that A not equals to 4. So this is false, not possible for this condition. Now question number 10. Here two sets are given. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B equals to 1, 5, 9, 11, 15, 16. And F is there 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 11 ordered pairs. So here two questions are there. F is a relation from A to B and F is a function from A to B. If these are true, then we have to justify our answer. So first I'm taking here F is a relation from A to B. So we know that whenever we have to find out relation, R is a subset of A cross B, means we have to take first element of ordered pair of R from set A and second element from set B. So here we are getting, here 1, 5 is there. So 1 belongs to set A. Then 2, 9. Then 2 belongs to set A. 3, 1. Then 3 belongs to set A. 4, 5. Then 4 belongs to set A. And 2, 11. Then 2 belongs to set A. Similarly, when we are applying here, then second ordered pair, second coordinate, that means 5. 5 belongs to set B. Then 9 belongs to set B. Here 1 belongs to set B. And 5 belongs to again set B and 11 belongs to set B. So all first coordinates of ordered pair belongs to set A or second coordinates of ordered pair belongs to set B. So this is clearly a relation. Now second one, F is a function from A to B. So F is 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1, 4, 5 and 2, 11. Here we can see 2 is connected to 9 and 2 is connected to 11 also. And we know that from the definition of a function, no two distinct ordered pairs have same first elements. Means here ordered pair in 2, 9 also first element is 2, 2, 11 also first element is 2. So this is not a function, not possible. 2 is connected to 9, 2 is connected to 11 also. So we'll write this is not a function. So question number 11, let F be a subset of Z cross Z. Defined by F equals to AB, A plus B. This is X and this is Fx. Means image. Such that A and B both belongs to integer, set of integers. Is F a function from a Z to Z? So justify your answer. Okay, so here I have drawn arrow diagram, means two sets Z and Z. F is a function from Z to Z, subset of Z to Z. So according to that I have drawn here. So I'm going to take example. If I'm taking from the first set Z, A I'm taking as 1 and B I'm taking that 8. So one by one I'm finding here format is AB. So AB I'm going to find X format, X value. So 1 into 8, that is 8. And then A plus B. A plus B I'm going to find 1 plus 8, that is 9. Okay. Means here I'm getting ordered pair of F, that is 8, 9. Now I'm taking A equals to 2. A I'm taking 2. Different elements I'm taking. And B I'm taking here 4. So AB I'm going to find. AB equals to this 2 into 4, that is 8. And A plus B is here 2 plus 4, that is 6. AB means this is from the first set Z, and A plus B from the second set Z, from first set. This is domain value according to the question, and this is second set, from second set element. Okay, and both are integers. Here we are getting, here also the same. This is from first set and this is from second set. So you can see when we are taking an element 8 in the first set, means here if I'm writing 8, so 8 is connected to 9. If here I'm getting 9, if I'm taking 9 here, okay, clearly I'm drawing it. So 8 is connected to 9. 8 I'm taking from the first set and it is connected to 9. And similarly, when we are taking A and B both different, here also 8 is connected to 6. 8 is connected to 6 also. So you can see this is not a format of a function. One element has two images. So clearly it is not a function. So we'll write here, it is not a function, because two elements in the first set, one element in the first set has two images. One element in the first set has two images in the second set. So because of that, this is not a function. Now question number 12. Let A equals to 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Set A is given. Here f from A tends to n is given. We define f of n, small n. Meaning of this, the highest prime factor of n. Means we have to find out prime factors. And out of that, highest prime factor. So here first element is 9. So 9 factors we'll find out. This is the way to find. The highest prime factor of 9 is 3. So f of 9 will be 3. Then we will find out highest prime factor of this 10. Second element is 10. So that is 5, 2 and 1. So highest is 5. Similarly 11. So 11 only. Highest prime factor of 11 is 11. Now next is 12. So in the 12, highest prime factor is 3. So highest prime factor of 12 is 3. And then 13. In the 13 also, 13 is the highest prime factor. So I'm going to write in the form of ordered pair. So 9, this is x and this is fx. So 9, 3, then 10, 5, then 11, 11, then 12, 3, and then 13, 13. Now here we have to find out range, means second coordinate from the ordered pair. So 3, 5, 11, 3 and 13. We know that in a set we will not repeat any elements. So I have written here 3, 5, 11 and 13. This is the range. Thank you.